Tabitha Calvin. Welcome. I'm so excited. On my channel, we will be talking about real situations. One will be credit. I'll be talking about how I took my credit score from 480 to 803. How my husband and I, we paid off our property, and we're building wealth for our family. But literally none of this stuff happened overnight. And it did not happen without mistakes. So if you're trying to build a business, you want to improve your finances, you want to invest in real estate, you want to create literally a stronger family legacy, this channel is for you. A little bit about me again. I'm a licensed real estate agent in Tennessee and Mississippi. I literally love helping people. I love having true, honest conversations. I want to get just transparent about some of the things that I want to do. I'm going to be interviewing people, successful people that have paid off their debt, that has went from a horrible situation, financial setbacks, to success. All of them, we are going to talk about it. I think it's not that many people that really want to talk about things like that. Also, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I homeschool my boys. They got out of school early. Everything that I've done it with success, I want to talk to you about it. So every week we're going to be talking with business owners, investors, experts, or everyday people. I'm going to be giving y'all the juice. So we would discuss what we failed at, what happened, everything. So I'm gonna share practical lessons, mistakes that helped me build my actual business. So I'm telling y'all all this because I'm not trying to impress you. That's not my goal. I'm sharing with you what happens. And listen, whatever situation you're in, if it's a horrible situation, that does not have to be your final destination. So subscribe and comment below. What are you actually trying to build? New videos every Wednesday. So y'all, let's build something together. Bye. Thank you.